Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. I want to show you my potato containers. Now these are 30-gallon containers. These are fabric. I just put them in between my two greenhouses that I have here because my yard is not super huge, but I want to utilize that space. So these are my sweet potatoes here in the front. I mulched them over because we do have some frisky little weather coming in, but not too bad. It won't drop down too bad for them. And then those are my red potatoes in the back. All right, let's go in the greenhouse. Let's see. All right. Now we just restarted some of these, like the celery here, chives, cabbage, and we have some cabbage coming in. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we brought this in from the house about 3 days ago, but then that storm happened. So yeah, we need to plant something else in there. I'll probably take that in. And then tatsoi greens. Let's see. This is something from Baker's Rare Seeds. I love them for their seeds. Their seeds are really good. It is nice and toasty in here. And then I have my dinosaur kale starting in here. That's coming through, which is great. These little seeds just started coming in. Then the green bean at the bottom is trying to make it. So we'll see about that. The collards came in from the house. So this is during the storm also. So we'll see. Then I planted some hummingbird mint. Walking stick kale is trying to peek out. I am excited about the walking stick kale because it gets really tall. People veneer them and use them as walking sticks. So I'm excited about that. I want to see if I'll be able to do that. Let's see what else we have. Bee balm. I did plant some bee balm. You get some really good nutrients from bee balm. So we'll see. Wasabi radish. Now, I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out because it's a radish, but it's said to be as strong as wasabi. We'll see. I want to see. And it's definitely coming in strong. Then I planted some broccoli here. We got one peeking out. And then my spinach. I can't wait for this. I do love spinach. But looking good. We're looking good on the spinach. Now, I don't have that much out here in this greenhouse because our last frost date in 5B. Oh, Judah, my dog, is actually April 15th, and we're definitely not there yet. But I'm excited. And I can't wait. I just can't wait to plant. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm over here doing that has me kind of almost wiped out. Digging. It's a lot. It's tiring. It's a lot of work. But I'm doing it because I want my garden. So I brought you guys into my little garden. Now we're still doing a little cleanup out here. It's just been, the temperature's not been right. And then when it was decent, I just planted the fabric garden and played with the littles. They want to come outside, you know. They're ready as, just as much as I am. So this is the little area here for my gardening space. And then, like we said in the last video, husband's going to put up a privacy fence for me. We don't want everyone to see, or do we? So what I'm doing over here is digging, and then I'm doing a little trenching for my asparagus. So I did some, and then I have that little area over there left to dig. And then I had a little battle yesterday that I won. I won this battle with this. Okay. This tree stump was in that hole. And that's why I'm able to dig over there now. I have the space now. It didn't win. I did. It was very hard to get that from there though. It was tough. It tapped me out. I was done after that. But I did get a lot done. And hopefully I get a lot done today. But I just wanted to update you guys on what I was doing today. And I will be posting that Red Delicious apple video. Keep promising it, but I will. I will post it. Maybe tomorrow. I'll let you guys know and keep you updated. Well, thanks for tuning in to the Hollis Urban Garden. Subscribe, like, share, and grow. Many blessings to you all.